would like to introduce you the project's partners, starting from project coordinator Vrakis SA. In the following minutes, you will have the opportunity to hear partners' point of view regarding project perspective, benefits and contribution.
RECAP started as an idea, and now it is a project. By the end of RECAP, we would all feel proud if we would be able to serve farmers with a platform that would make their life easy and let them concentrate on what they do best, cultivate their fields. So RECAP would be a helpful tool for farmers and paying agency to do their job more easily, more transparent, and in a much more efficient way.
Environmental concerns of RECAP. I think that what is really relevant with the RECAP is that we are trying to face the problem of environment not only in the point of view of the obligations that farmers have related to cross-compliance or greening. What we are trying is to develop a new culture in which farmers try to maintain, to develop a sustainable production system in their farms. They then try to change the way they treat the air, the atmosphere, the water, avoiding the water pollution or maintaining or promoting the biodiversity. So this is a way to do and develop together a system production, a production that is sustainable and taking into account always the environment.
The RECAP platform will provide farmers with a mobile application with a list of all their cross-compliance and other CAP obligations on it, and provide them with timely reminders and notifications so that they can see exactly when and how they need to comply with cross-compliance. It will also increase transparency between inspectors and farmers so that farmers can see and learn exactly where breaches have been found on their farm and so that they can learn from those subsequent errors.
We're a small company, therefore RECAP is a great opportunity for us. When Serbia becomes a member of the European Union, we will have a competitive advantage in offering tech-enabled cross-compliance services for farmers, for paying agencies, and for every other actor in the agri-food value chain.
My name is Simon Mortimer. I'm from the University of Reading in the UK, and our role in the RECAP project is to lead the scoping of requirements by farmers and members of the various paying agencies represented on the project. So at the end of our section of the work, we will have defined a set of user requirements that the software developers on the team will then take and develop the platform architecture.
It's a project that shows a lot of potential because in our view it's one of the very first projects that will that aspires to exploit this huge amount of satellite data that have become available in the last couple of years. So the European Commission together with the European Space Agency have made some huge investments in bringing into orbit several satellites, the so-called Sentinels, that are providing to us for the very first time very frequent satellite acquisition, both optical and radar imagery, and at very good and at high spatial resolution. So RECAP will exploit this new information source
to address an actual and real problem of the agricultural community, addressing the needs both of the paying agencies, the farmers, and the agricultural consultants.
ETAM is leading the work package 5 of the RECAP project concerning communication and dissemination. Our main objective is to raise awareness and maximize visibility of RECAP among policymakers, public authorities, agricultural community, as well as the wide public.
RECAP offers farmers a tool supporting them to comply with the Common Agricultural Policy regulations. Farmers will receive simplified, up-to-date and personalized information in terms of their needs for cross-compliance, as well as early alerts through a modern, easy-to-use mobile and web interface. Farmers also have the opportunity to actively participate in the whole monitoring procedure.